Number 1. Love Treat Couple Valentine's Day 3D Greeting Card. This creative pop-up card is surely a great way to surprise and greet your loved one. Number 2. Cute and funny pop-up Valentine's Day cards. These cards are so neat and can be a nice, unexpected surprise to your loved one. Number 3. Light up and pop-up Valentine's Day cards. These cards can also play music with a beautiful heart sunset scene that lights up. Number 4. Pop-up music and lights Valentine cards with fireworks. Number 5. Pop-up Blue Jay Couple Valentine cards. The Blue Jay couple is happy at their cozy home on the blossoming apple branches. Number 6. Paper Love 3D Pop-Up Valentine's Day card with detachable keepsake flower bouquet. Make your moments romantic and unforgettable, leaving a lasting impression on your loved ones. Number 7. Pop-Up Hummingbird card. Featuring a lovely scene of a bright color hummingbird perching on blooming lily of the valley, perfect for hummingbird lovers. Number 8. Paper Love Teddy Bear 3D Valentine's pop-up card. Perfectly capturing the essence of love this Valentine's Day.